Hey folks, want to do a quick review on this Blue Force gear quick disconnect attachment, and this review is only for this part right here, not for the sling. I just happen to have this attached to the sling, but this thing is a really handy attachment piece. I bought this because I needed to have some way to attach my sling to a shotgun. It's got a fixed attachment point, and so this the way this works, this just pops out of here. This small ball right here just pops out to the bottom, and see, one hole's larger than the other. It just pops right out of there, and then this is like a braided cable inside of this vinyl casing, so it's not going to damage your weapon or anything. And this is some type of very hard plastic. I don't know exactly what it's made of, the manufacturing process, but so far it's been very sturdy. Just goes back in here, that just goes in here, and then that snaps down into place and pulls up in there. And as you can see, that is, if you can see that in the video there, but that is recessed. Maybe you can see it on this side. There you go. That is recessed, and that pulls up in there, so that's not going to pop loose. It doesn't come loose when you're carrying the weapon. This will not come out of there. So anyway, it's really nice piece of gear. Again, it's Blue Force gear QD attachment point. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching.